It's Saturday. It's 7 o'clock. Suki is still sleepy. It's 10 o'clock. Suki is playing with her friends. She's very happy. It's time for lunch. It's 12:30. Say goodbye to your friends. Suki is a little bit sad. It's 3 o'clock. Suki is thirsty. Milk and a cake are yummy. It's 5:30. Suki is hungry. It's pizza for dinner. It's 7:30. Suki is very, very, very tired. I wake in the morning early. And always the very first thing. I poke out my head. And I sit up in bed. And I sing, and I sing, and I sing. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. This beach is fantastic. It's Thursday. This elephant's really big. It's Friday. This game is great. It's Saturday. It's Sunday. This playground is fantastic. It's Monday. It's Tuesday. It's Wednesday. This beach is fantastic. It's Thursday. This elephant is really big. It's Friday. This game is great. It's Saturday. It's Sunday. This playground is fantastic.